What's up, guys? We'll go drifting tomorrow, so figure it's time to put the E30 back together, and hopefully our wrong way to fix things fixes things, and we will go from there.
I'm fixing the slop right now for the max speeding rod shift, or not max speeding rod, but for the shifter. And once this is fixed, it should help us with the max speeding rod shifter that's in there. Should give us some nice little shifties.
So I tried to do the right thing and get new bushings, but it's not better. That's too much.
It's like the selector rod is a little too narrow.
It just goes like...
Still wobbly as hell.
So this is my fix. I'm sure it's not correct. I'm sure it's gonna feel like shit. I just don't care.
Cool. Now it's the whole thing of the horseshoe. Which if we can do a V8,
It's much shorter.
yeah, and that was the E34. V8 had to be separate.
Put 24 valves in this way, so technically if a 24 valve can fit this.
How's that looking? Okay. Things are starting to go a little wacky through here.
Make sure stuff doesn't get smushed by the engine mounts.
That's what I'm working on. There's no mounts though. We gotta put those in.
Yeah, I mean like the arms.
Yeah.
We also have to line the turbo up on the other side.
The turbo.
Yeah, with the intercooler.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be it. And then what's this line coming out? Alright, it's considerably later and Chris just stepped out back, so I figured I'd give you guys an update. We've got this thing relatively together. We got those done. Never mind. Those were a pain. This AN line here encounters this manifold, so we went ahead and clearance that out. You'll see there's a sway bar hanging from the car. There wasn't a sway bar on last time. We're putting it on for drifting, make it easier, but engine's bolted up, trans is bolted up, drive shaft's bolted up, and it's all coming together. There's a 5-gallon bucket of oil.
It's leaking everywhere.
Corrosion prevention.
It's like it wasn't that bad before.
Yeah, no, it's just like really stoked about coming out now.
You could just check it that way.
Yeah, just pull the whole thing out and it would say on the end.
Oh, there's like oil there.
Well, it ran down to the end. You want to run it through the legs and see?
No, I think we're good. We can just start it.
Cool. Alright, this is M20 Stroker Turbo. First ever start, first ever engine build. Never been done before.
Did you hook up the engine ground?
Oh no, I didn't. Good catch. It's just loose there. Your key. How's the shifter feel? Can you get reverse?
Mm-hmm.
So it works?
Mm-hmm. It's really short. I might adjust that a little bit.
Speed shifting. Yeah, you adjust that on the bottom, right? There's that threaded bit.
Yep.
Alright, let's see it.
Why does it sound like that?
It sounds like a fucked starter deal or a fucked flywheel deal.
Yeah.
Why do we always have this issue?
Put the right one back in it.
Not upside down or backwards or any of that shit?
Oh, that's the right starter.
Yeah, it's the same deal. Alright, well at least it's quiet. And it runs. Hell yeah. Yeah. Seems like we built a car.
It's a car.
Do you want water or do we need coolant?
We got. I meant to say coolant. We have coolant. The lights work. Turn the brights off.
Tail light? You got one. Nice, installed.
It's
also
different.
Yeah, also different. Yep, it works. Car fixer.
We could put a plate on it and go over to Zach's.
I might take my car. And I'll bring the fuel cell shit and everything over too.
Bring the what?
I'll bring my phone and stuff over too.
There you go.
Alright, so you guys just got to see Zach. He got his S52 swapped E30 that he picked up a while ago. I think it's pretty heavily wrecked, so it makes the perfect drift car. I don't even know where he went. Oh, he went to the other cul-de-sac. You can see him all the way down there. But yeah, set off that car alarm. Nice. Good stuff. Chris, we all got here, Zach's place. Chris blew a belt on the E30. There it is, focus. So he's pulling one off of an M20 there. Should be good. I think this drift prep is coming along good. I gotta pull in my car and do a few mods, but we'll see if we get around to it. They're not have to happen, so it's not a big deal. Either way, keep you guys posted.
Went over to the brand new parking lot and tested.
Tested it.
Yeah, it's good.
He said it's loose but good.
Roger's gonna go break it. Yeah, he's gonna go break it.
He said it's loose but good.
Oh, it's so loose. The steering isn't lined up. The shock. It's got like E36 stock shock springs in it in the rear too. It's kind of a mess. It's got still the E30 rack,
Yeah,
so it's like
just slower than shit. You're chasing the wheel most of the time.
Felt good though.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
got an S50 too, and that's all you kind of need. And it's
all
rear-wheel
that
drive,
matters.
so.
OBD1
Yeah.
is 52.
Yeah, and it's a welded diff, so like, felt good. Roger's
Hear him
beat the
out
shit
there,
out of it.
yeah. Okay, so here's my kind of idea. This is some fuel baffling stuff that I got from Summit, and I cut it down beautifully, as you can see. But it's still just, I haven't tried yet, but that's the whole goal, is to get it in this tiny hole. I know there's a lot of jokes that can be made. It's up to you guys. If you guys look closely, you can see the washer that I dropped in there forever ago. That's very cool. Not a super dirty tank either, so stoked about that. But yeah, I'm gonna try and compress this stuff small enough. I think it's finally small enough to get it in there. but then I have to also figure out a way to move it out of the way so I can get the fuel pump and shit back in. So that's what I'm working on. I know Zach's over there working on his car. You guys just saw it do donuts. Chris is still working on getting belts and stuff going. Look at him walking like a person. Anyways, back to this. See you guys soon.
So the car seems to be doing good. I lost the belt again on the way here. I really think that is what happened in the burnout pit, is the belt came off, and we didn't have a water pump anymore. But I guess Hamish has never ridden in this car.
Yeah. Also, looks like Zach's coming out too.
Yeah. Zach's car is pretty cool.
Zach's car is pretty cool. Yeah, poly mounts aren't bad. This thing sounds...
Yeah, that's pretty undrivable. Right? Yeah. Like, it's fun because it's got that kind of sensation of you're just ripping.
But you're not even going
Yeah,
fast.
there's not even acceleration. That wasn't as bad, but still.
Tires got a little warm.
Yeah. But like, even when it was gripping, it wasn't crazy.
Yeah. You say it's like half as fast as the Turbo E36, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool.
It is cool.
But like, we're rolling, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll just...
Hey, it hooked better that time.
I was still just spinning third.
It hooked better. Well,
High fun.
it's a fun car.
Yeah.
It's definitely not like... Didn't like that.
Yeah, that was like loose cut.
Yeah.
Wonder if we lost our signal.
What signal?
Or the wastegate.
No, I totally get what you mean. Like, it's cool and it pulls and everything, but it is just undrivable.
Yeah.
Like, maybe if you were super long, if you were longer, you could have been fine.
Ow, I just like grabbed the exhaust.
Chris feels no fear.
Zach, do you have a vacuum line this big?
Maybe. Does it felt falling off?
Well, I put this cut here because we originally were going to put it on the, but I don't need that because I have a 20-pound spring in the wastegate, so I don't need a boost controller.
Let's see.
But I could just try zip tying the shit.
That's what I say. Why don't I just zip tie it? It looks like it'll stay.
If it had a zip tie, I'd just blew
It
up.
looks like it's fun. Looks fast.
I mean, it's fast. It's just useless.
I messed around with this thing.
Why is it
It's back
useless?
together, but
You don't get any grip.
Dude, that
it felt like I wasn't doing anything, so I gave up. But we'll get there.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I didn't really talk much. Mainly Hamish filming that. We got 3 cars ready and we're gonna do some drifting. This is actually Chris from the future, and we did some drifting and it was a blast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a couple more to come, maybe just one more to come on that stuff to get you caught up. But we've been a little busy with stuff. I've had some stuff going on outside of the shop. It's taken me away from it a little bit and kind of dampened my spirits a little bit. Nothing horrible, but things are going to change a little bit in the near future. So I'm not going anywhere, but things are gonna change. So just if things seem a little different, they're gonna be a little different. But I'll tell you guys more as I know more. But thanks for watching as always, and yeah, stay tuned for watching this thing shred. It's definitely an animal. Nothing new on this car. I need to order a fuel pump. I need to get the key for it. And then, again, nothing new on this car either. It's just sitting here. Oh, shit. Hamish, I thought of something.
What's up?
We could just take the fuel pump out of this one. And maybe this car should get a new one. Yeah, we're going to get a brand new one for this car. We'll leave the old one, because that car's been sitting for years, too. So, it's probably gross. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Yeah. We'll probably see you more this week.